What does she need to do?
She needs to pack my toys so I need to sleep in her bed.
But where am I gonna sleep?
In my bed?
But there's no blankets or pillows.
You can sleep on the couch.
What? So we're down to our final moments in our apartment. Lena, how do you feel?
Old apartment.
Our old apartment.
It's our old apartment
It's
already.
travel day. Are you guys ready for this 27-hour train ride to Nanning?
No.
I hope that we don't have anyone else in our cabin. That'd be nice. Because we got
It's all
lots of
ours.
junk.
Buy my house. Buy my house.
Goodbye, Dora.
Bye.
You got enough stuff, babe?
Look at me.
All my stuff.
Look at me.
What are you doing? We're on our way to the train station. Oh, yeah. This one. Good. Just that one.
光摁这个哈，摁这上面这个，
Yeah. That
摁
one.
摁这个，
That's good.
哎不对，
There you go.
这样的，
That one.
这个
Yeah, but get it like.
哦，
that.
这样的。
That's perfect. Right there. All the bags.
，sorry 不会。周快点，周帮忙周来。
Say cheese.
That was crazy.
What happened?
took 10 pie worth and we still have more.
She took 10 kwai worth? I buy a house.
We left a life that's ordinary from the start. We look for stranger things, cause that's just who we are. Found me the edge of something beautiful and loud.
Eat it.
Oh man. For us, getting to our mode of transportation is like war. We had,
We haven't missed one.
yeah, we haven't missed one. We were really close this time. The lady was like, I need your real passport, and all I had was a picture, and Belle was like on the other side of the terminal.
Of a Chinese terminal, so
I had
it's
to
big.
sprint. It's like, yeah, they make these massive terminals. And I had to sprint to her, and then I had to run back, and I cut in line because she was like, no, you need your passport. And she just like threw the phone at me and walked away. So I ran to Belle, grabbed the passports, then ran back, and I ran straight to the front of the line. And everyone was like scoffing at me, and they were all pissed off. But I had to do it, or else we would have missed the train.
Yeah. We got on with what, 10 minutes to spare?
Yeah, barely. And then, of course, we get on here and like, these compartments are pretty small, and we have like 7 suitcases. Like, it's a lot of luggage. And so we're like, how do we fit this? And so we jumped on our phone, like trying to buy a last minute talk. Yeah.
Dad, did you like catch the phone and just give it, and just like put it on the ground, then you like run away?
Yeah, exactly.
It's
You have like a,
Yeah, it's just a scratch.
it's a scratch or a hair? Really? How'd that happen? It looks like an eyelash.
No, it's not.
So then, yeah. So we were trying to, what were we trying to do? Where did I leave off? I forgot.
Well, they'll get it out.
Oh yeah, so we were trying to buy a last minute ticket, and then I was like, wait, why don't we just move all, because they had all these like laundry bags of the old sheets underneath. So I took all the laundry bags and stuck them in the other cabins underneath there, so I could use that for storage. So now we have all of our luggage underneath the 2 beds. And the one that I'm recording from is not our bed, but there's no one there until the
will be
next
there.
stop in 2 hours. So I have the top bunk, Belle has the bottom bunk, and yeah, we're good to go now.
Bingo.
Look at this. So this is our cabin
Me and Nina's room.
right there. Nina Mama's bed, and then that's my bed, and that's our roommate. What's up? How you doing?
He's in charge of all the beds.
Oh, he's in charge of all the beds? Look at that. This train is pretty smooth, I'd say, huh?
Dad,
Yeah?
hold on. We're going faster.
We're
Going
going.
so fast. Dad, hold on high.
No.
So we're gonna roll up like a bear.
What? You're gonna roll up like a bear?
Earlier she said we're gonna roll like candles.
Yeah, because bears are fast.
Oh, bears are fast. Okay.
We're gonna roll fast as a bear.
I'm so proud of us for making this train. I did not think we were gonna make it.
They're so sweaty.
I know. I need a shower. I wonder if they have a shower on here.
Dad,
I almost left our bag, the one with your bag. The one with the trolley. I totally forgot about it. And the guy was like, "Hey, like I didn't even put on the belt. I just like left it through the like customs thing." Yeah.
Cameras and all.
All right, so we'll do an update later. We made it on the train, and we're pretty excited. 27 hours to go.
Hello, honey.
I can picturing now. Castles glitter under Spanish skies, but I'm just looking after you tonight. Snow white mountains in a foreign state. Tell me someday we'll get there.
Hit camera. Look at that. So you just hit the button to take pictures. Don't take too many because then it fills up. Just take a picture of something you really want.
I'm still
All the
at
trees here, how you can see them change colors.
What?
Some of them are orange and yellow.
They
Like
change?
autumn, yeah. They fall back home.
They change colors? No way. Mom, I see yellow ones.
Lalo.
Mom, honey, what's that?
Feel yours pop?
Yeah. Is it yours?
Yeah, I felt it.
Me too.
Maybe we're getting high up there.
Mom, I hear it too.
That's like the biggest joke.
I said, you two are going to sleep on the bottom. Then when we wake up, then wake you up with me like this. Then you say,
Where are you gonna sleep?
up here.
No way, Jose.
You're going to sleep down there.
No, that doesn't seem very safe.
Yes, it does.
No, no, no. I think you and Mama should sleep on the bottom, and Dada should sleep up top.
No, I'm going to sleep up top.
No, it's not too safe for you. What if you fall through that bar and hit your head on the floor?
Like this.
Yeah, it's not so safe.
Like if I sit down. Dad, I offered you stickers. Look, a sea star sticker.
Babe, do you have any water? It's around here somewhere. Alright, so it's our first night on the, what is this called, babe? What is this train called? Yeah. Okay, so it's our first night on the K144 from Chengdu to Nanning, and we just pulled into our first major stop, which is in Chongqing. And we're riding the standard train, not the bullet train, because I guess there's no bullet train that runs from Chengdu to Nanning, at least today. I'm not sure if there's one that runs other days. But yeah, this train is super nice compared to our first train experience. In Africa, we flew a couple times and we mainly took buses. And we took one train from Tanzania to Zambia. That was pretty intense. So being on this train now, it's a lot more luxurious. We have Wi-Fi, there's a toilet, there's a cabin where you can go, like a dining hall cabin. We have nice clean comforters and pillows, and it's nice. So it's my first meal on the train to Nanning, and I'm pretty sure this is obviously cabbage and then chicken with I think it's cow stomach, like the lining of the stomach. Pretty sure. I don't know though.
I see a technicolor shadow underneath your window. case you don't know, I can see you cast an unfamiliar day, different than what I know.
Good morning.
Low, I can feel it. We turned our back on
Some of them are orange.
Yeah.
I'll let you'll see them. They're gonna be orange when you see one. You saw one?
So,
See?
look at those pretty mountains. Look at that one. It's got like a point on the top. Whoa. What do you think of that?
Perfect. Got it. Guys have a point.
You're so adventurous, Nina. You travel the whole world, huh? How many countries have you been to? Let's see. We've been to Egypt. We've been to Tanzania. We've been to Zambia. We've been to Mozambique. We've been to South Africa.
We've been to Chicago.
We've been to Chicago. That's America.
Yeah.
I spent the day in Tijuana.
We spent the day in Tijuana. So you've been to Mexico. We went to Hong Kong, which is kind of part of China, but we'll count it as its own country. And then we've been to Thailand, and we've been to China. I think you've been to 10 countries in your whole life.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dada.
That's like as many as you can count.
Yeah. One. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you go higher?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19,
17. What comes after 17?
18,
Uh-huh.
19,
Uh-huh.
From the start, we look for stranger things, 'cause that's just who we are.
37, 38, 39, 30, 10, 30, 10, 30, 10, 30, 10, and 38.
39, 40.
35, 40,
39, 40.
39, 40.
Mambo,
Found me the edge of something beautiful and loud.
I can't wait to see my new room.
Yeah.
My bed is pink.
You think it's gonna be pink? You can do it. Be careful. Whoa.
You did it.
Show me the sky falling down. Castles glitter on the starry sky. But I'm just looking after you tonight. So white mountains in a foreign state. Tell me someday we'll get there. Stranger things were like stranger things very far. Stranger things were like this is, 'cause that's just who we are. Stranger things were like stranger things very far. Stranger things dream of places, 'cause that's just who we are. Stranger things were like stranger things very far. Stranger things dream of places, 'cause that's just who we are. Stranger things were like
That's a
stranger
slow
things
snail.
very far. Stranger things dream of places, 'cause that's just who we are.
I think he's super cute, huh?
I think he's sleeping.
Yeah?
Maybe when we get back, he'll still be asleep then. Oh my God. Then when we get back, we can pick him up.
Good. Where are we gonna put him?
We can just put him in the town and in the city.
Okay. So you want to carry him all the way to Nanning?
Uh-huh.
It's a 27-hour train ride, though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. But just because we can collect snails, so we can start collecting.
Okay. A snail colony? Whoa.
Yeah. Now we can make a cup full of snails. Then when rain fills, we can get another cup full of snails.
What are we gonna do with all these snails?
So when we leave, we can give them to other kids.
Oh, okay.
And we will like the snails. Guys, let's just go.
Just go.